Good morning, everybody. So today's day 2 of our cruise, and I wanted to show you what our room looks like after we've been cruising in it. So this is what a room looks like that's lived in. So let's turn this way, and we can see our cabin. Looks very well lived in. There's my bed, got a bunch of stuff on it. Everybody else is at the casino right now, and I'm here by myself. So let's come this way, and here's our bathroom. There's my pajamas on the door. Lots of towels on the floor, as you can see. Towels in the shower, so it won't be long until our room attendant is here to clean this up. So today what we're gonna do on our day 2 of this cruise is we're just gonna do a ship tour. So I'm gonna take the camera around and show you pictures of the ship. So let's go out the door here and we will explore the ship. So let's go.